Okay, it's on. Okay, we have not even been plowed out today. Not a bit. And anyone who knows me even a little bit knows I really can't stand winter, ice, cold, snow. And this is our spring. This is literally our spring. It's nothing but snow here in my yard. Nothing. Walkway up to my door, and it's nothing but snow. And I'm not very impressed. I can't even get it into my backyard to take a picture of how high it is on the deck. It is just, if it's any higher, it's going to be higher than our shed. And it's still snowing, of course, so yay us. I don't think anybody's going to be going anywheres for a day or two. I don't know if this is bad as White Juan was, but if it's not as bad, it's pretty darn close. And I can't even get all the way out to the road to take footage because it's just snow's too high. So maybe tomorrow.